Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Silent Hill 2 is encountering a black screen problem. So here are some potential fixes that can help to resolve the issue. Now the first solution is update graphic driver. Outdated or corrupt graphic driver can cause a black screen. Update your graphic driver to the latest version. NVIDIA, visit the NVIDIA website and download the latest driver for your GPU. For the AMD, visit the AMD website for update drivers. Now the Intel, download the latest driver from the Intel website, then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then run the game as an administrator. So simply open up the Steam, then click on the Silent Hill 2 game, then click on the gear icon, go to your game properties, then click on the install file, then click on the browse option. Now here just locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on the game launcher, then go to the properties. Now go to the compatibility. Now here just uncheck this box of compatibility mode, and also uncheck this box of disable full screen optimization, and check the box of administrator, then click on the apply, then launch the game, then check. If your problem is not fixed, then check the box of disable full screen optimization and compatibility mode, and choose here the Windows 8. Now just click on apply, then launch the game, and check problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is verify game files. So simply open up the Steam, then go to your game properties. Now just click on the install file, then just click on the option of verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, you just need to wait for it, then just simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution is disable full screen optimization. This setting I already show you. Now the next solution is disable overlay software. Overlay from programs like Discord, GeForce Experience, or Steam can sometimes conflict with the game and cause a black screen. Disable any overlays temporarily to see if that fixes. Now just go to your game properties. Now just here you will see the option of enable the Steam overlay. Just uncheck this. Now launch the game, then check. If you have the Discord, then disable the Discord overlay, then check. Now the next solution is update Windows. Go to the Windows site, type the update and simply open it. And if there is any kind of available update for your Windows operating system, first update it, then restart your PC, then launch the game. Now if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is reinstall the game. If the black screen persists, try uninstalling the game completely and then reinstalling it, and try all of the solution. And I hope one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.